So now we will be making joining the parts of Hulkbuster. First of all, this clip has to be inserted like this. And it is a movable part. Secondly, the screens of the computer. And then thirdly, on this side, it is a very easy job, or rather I should put it here. It looks more appealing. Now this robotic arm is handling the hand of Hulkbuster. Okay. Secondly, so this one part is complete. And now we will be making running the parts of Hulkbuster. This is the feet, and this clip, it has to be clipped, the knee part. It makes a clicking sound. Similarly, the other leg, we have to clip it. Now we have to make this joint. This is the thigh portion and this is the knee portion. They will be added like this. I have made it from. This is the front portion. And this is the leg, and here comes the second leg. And these two clips will be clipped in the waist portion. They will also make a clipping sound like this. And then let me first join this. The two clips of thigh will make clipping sound in the waist. So this will move like this completely. And then we have this feet also moving, and then there will be a little good movement in the knee also, like this. Okay. And then the waist portion will be added to the chest portion by this rod. This is a very tight rod. We will have to push it very hard. This also made a clipping sound. And then like this. Second leg I will be putting later on. Then we have the hand portion. The hand has a ball here. It is a bearing ball and the clip here. So we will be just clipping it simply. And there is the second hand. Similarly, we have to just clip it. So this is the shoulder, this is the elbow, and this is the hand. Similarly, we have shoulder, elbow, and the hand. Okay. Now, shoulder will be added to the chest portion with a clip. It will also make a clip sound. Okay. Because these all parts have to be adjusted with the spare parts. We still have many spare parts. They will be added for the solidity of the doll. Then we put the second hand. Almost the Hulkbuster is ready. While clipping, many parts come out. And this is the head portion. The head portion is very easy. You just have to clip these. I hope you can see it in camera. And here comes the head portion. See, head can be moved like this, and the Iron Man will fit in like this. Okay. I have made all the parts of Hulkbuster, and now I will be combining it. Before that, I want to show you the movements of the parts. This is the hand portion, and I can see that thumb can be moved easily, and there are 3 fingers that can be easily moved. And then I have this armor which can be moved. This is the ball where this ball will be clipped in it. You can see the ball, this ball, black color ball, will be clipped in the hook. Okay, the hook belongs to the shoulder. Shoulder does not have any movement parts, but there is a minor movement like this. And then we have this chest. I have shown you the chest already. The other hand is the same, and this part is having an interesting thing. It is having a rubber band which is actually movable but very less. It is actually moving, but it cannot be seen. It is like this. It is moving like this. I think you can see a little bit of movement. Okay, and this appears to be good, and it is having 3 fingers. I will be clipping them very soon. Then I have this leg portion. It is in 3 parts: the thigh part, the knee part, and the shoes. Okay, everything is in pairs. So the shoe part is having this backing movement. It has nothing to do except for the designing. Then this knee also this moves the shoe portion, and then this is the knee portion. There is a little bit of movement like this. Okay, and then these hooks, these are the 2 hooks that will be clipped in the waist part. This is the waist, and waist is having this circular path for the 360-degree movement. Besides that, we have this helmet, and this is also completely movable, and it moves by the click factor. Come here. This is the helmet, and then for the other parts we have this satellite kind of thing. It has nothing to do, a little bit of movement, and then we have one fire extinguisher. Then we have the Iron Man Mark 43, and then there are 2 cranes. These cranes are having very good movement, almost in any shape, and like this, and they can move in any direction, almost any direction. And then this is the slab for the computers, and there are 2 monitors also actually. These 2 are the monitors. This is the base. This is the complete base, and one more thing, this base can be opened like this. Okay, it reads MK44. And then there are some spare parts. These will be used in clipping all the parts together. Okay, when I'll be trying to adjust all the parts together, these all will be used. Stay tuned, friends. I'll make another video where I'll show you separately how to clip them all together, because this video was the part which was showing you how to make these portions and what were the movements in each portion of the body part. And in the second video we will show how to clip all these parts together and make the complete Hulkbuster MK44.